I got the grilled chicken nuggets. I ordered a medium fry and a Diet Coke. We are moving right along to the pickup window now. Almost there. One thing about Chick-fil-A is they are pretty quick. So I'll come back on later. Still waiting in line. With Chick-fil-A, the line is so backed up. Of course, it's like 12:30, their peak time. But they're getting the orders out. She just walking me my order out to my car. And I see another gentleman walking orders out to the car as well. I did order some grilled chicken nuggets, which happened to be free as part of the birthday rewards. And I added a medium fry and a Diet Coke. So I paid about $4.20. It's part of my birthday meal from Chick-fil-A. So thank you, Chick-fil-A. We're gonna ride somewhere and sit down and chat. Let me get out this line. All right, y'all. So here are my spicy chicken nuggets. I'm sorry, my grilled chicken nuggets. My medium fry, and then I also have my drink right here. Again, I am out redeeming all of my birthday rewards from different companies. Excuse me. I'm just spending the day, well, the week actually, since I'm out working in a certain area that just so happens to have all of these companies, such as Chick-fil-A, Baskin Robbins, IKEA, Cheesecake Factory. So I decided to take my time after work and pop into these places and just grab my little birthday rewards before they expire at the beginning of July. So today is day 2. I did go out on yesterday and I picked up my Starbucks coffee, which I was not able to film. I did get some pictures and I'll insert that. But today is day 2 and I decided to kind of like plan out my week. Every day I have something to pick up. And I did it this way just so I wouldn't feel overwhelmed and burned out trying to run into all these places in one day. So since I was out in a certain area working, I decided to plan out my week where after work, and I get off at about 12:30. After work, I'll pop into various places in the mall, close to the mall, and I'll just try to redeem some of my birthday rewards. And today I chose Chick-fil-A. And I thought, why not pay a few extra dollars and just make a meal? So Chick-fil-A gave me a 4-count chicken nugget, 8-count chicken nugget, a sandwich, or a breakfast item as my birthday rewards. And I chose the 12-count grilled chicken nugget. I added the fry and I added the drink just to kind of make it a meal. I plan to also try to go into Baskin Robbins. I'm actually parked on the side of Baskin Robbins now, where I will hopefully be able to redeem my free kids scoop of ice cream after I eat my lunch. So hopefully that is successful. Some other places that I plan to pop into this week are IKEA, Cheesecake Factory, Bath and Body Works. What else did I have on my list? I have a whole list. I'll share my list. I decided to kind of go into my notes on my phone and create a list of places to go every day. Ulta Beauty's on the list. But yeah, I wanted to create a list of places to pop into every day, and my goal was to try to have a place to eat at for lunch or to grab a snack after work every day. So I'll share my list with you. I feel like that was the best way for me to organize my week based on where the places are and what they were offering. Again, it's my birthday, so we did kind of have cake and ice cream at home. So I was trying to push those sweets back toward the end of the week and not have sweets while we still have cake and ice cream at home. So I am choosing to do some of those places later in the week. But we're going to go out all week after work, hopefully, and grab something. And I just wanted to take you all on my journey and hopefully show you how you can sign up for these free birthday rewards as well. So stay tuned. Can I do the strawberry cheesecake? A cone, please. Thank you. Fine. Today is day 3 of our birthday item pickup. So far I've done Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, and Baskin Robbins. Today is day 3, Tuesday, and on my list are some stores in my local mall. I'm actually sitting outside the mall now getting ready to go in, but the goal is to visit the Cinnabon place to get a free cold brew, Cheesecake Factory to get a free slice of cheesecake, and Bath and Body Works. I have a coupon for a free body care item, travel size body care item there. So that is the goal for today's birthday pickup. from the mall. I'm still sitting out in the mall parking lot as we speak, and I just wanted to make sure I did a quick recap with you all, and just actually showed you, as opposed to just showing you the bags, but actually showed you the items that I did get from the mall. So my first stop when I got into the mall was Cinnabon, and in Cinnabon I was able to get a free, I don't know how many ounces this is, but maybe 8 ounces, free 8 ounce or 16 ounce, I don't know, cold brew coffee, and she added vanilla flavor into it. It was pretty good. I sipped on it as I walked through the mall. My second stop was to Bath and Body Works, and my free item was Pure Wonder body spray. I really love how this smells. It smells really good. I had the lotion and I had the shower gel, and so I wanted to get a spray. My third stop was to the Cheesecake Factory. Can you see that lovely cheesecake? I decided to get the pineapple upside down cheesecake this time, which is something that I never get. I usually get the plain cheesecake with the strawberries. This time I wanted to try something different, you know, with my free coupon. So I did go for the pineapple upside down cheesecake, and it absolutely looks delicious. Don't worry, I'm going to share it with everybody in my house. Some other things that I got at Bath and Body Works, which were 75% off. They had the firecracker pop spray and lotion, which was 75% off. I've had these before. They've changed the packaging, but I've had the spray and lotion before, and I really enjoyed it. It's kind of like a cherry smell. It's really fresh and clean, almost like a little cherry summertime smell. Something for summer. It's kind of like a sweet smell. So if you like sweet, you might want to try that the next time you visit Bath and Body Works. And it is the firecracker pop, and it's 75% off right now. So those came to, I don't know how much they came to individually, but for 2 full-size bottles of spray and 2 full-size bottles of lotion, I paid $14.89. So the second set was this strawberry soda spray, and I got the watermelon lemonade lotion. It doesn't go with the strawberry soda, but they smell similar. I really like the lotion, and it didn't have a spray, and I really like this spray. It did have a lotion, but I didn't want to buy anything extra, so I just stuck with these two, and I figured they can pair together. So that is what I got today on day 3 of me being out here in these streets picking up my birthday items. I hope y'all are enjoying this video so far, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow, which is day 4. Talk to you soon. And welcome back to day 4 of what I'm calling my birthday pickup haul. Basically, I'm riding around town this week picking up all of the items that are being gifted to me by different restaurants and companies for my birthday during the month of June. Today we are sitting outside of Ulta Beauty. We're going to go in there and see if we can get our free birthday item, and then right around the corner we're going to go to IKEA to see if we can find something to purchase for the free $10 that they gave me to spend in the store. So come with me as I go get these free things. are from shopping in Ulta Beauty. Here is my receipt, and as you can see, it's quite a bit of stuff on here. Literally, I was able to get $131.69 worth of stuff for only $26.53. Thanks to a lot of the gift cards that I had from my birthday, gift cards that I had from Ulta for Christmas, things I just never use. That's one thing that I love to do when my family asks us what I want. I just tell them gift cards to some of my favorite stores, and when I need to go in those stores to buy, I whip out those gift cards and I spend that money. So I love this old throwback Clinique Happy. About a bottle of this was $82 regular price. I got some of the Poopery toilet spray. Every girl should have that. It was like $5.99. This was my free gift. I don't know if you can see that. The cashier suggested it. It's some kind of Pure Shine face cleanser, and it's safe for sensitive skin. First Aid Beauty Fab, something that she suggested. They didn't have the lip gloss that I wanted, and I love Pure Pressed Powder, mineral makeup powder, and this one has SPF 15. This is what I use every day, pretty much on my face. There it is, and my color is DG3, and it's a 4-in-1 powder. Again, it's pressed mineral makeup broad spectrum SPF powder, and I use it every day. And right now I'm down to a few little crumbs inside of the compact that I'm currently using. So again, I think I did pretty good. I only came out of my pocket for all of this charged to my debit card. I don't know if you can see that, was $26.25, and my total was $131 and some change. So thanks to my family and friends for my Ulta Beauty gift cards, I got $131 worth of birthday gifts for only $20-some. And again, the free gift that Ulta gave me was this. She had a couple choices. It was like some dry shampoo, which I don't use, a leave-in conditioner, which would have been my other option. The lip gloss was my first option, which they didn't have. And when I asked the young lady what she recommended this face wash. So I thought I'd give it a try. So that is my Ulta Beauty haul. Now we're gonna go right next door to IKEA and see what I can find. See you in IKEA.